Hello, guys. Welcome to ARCs. And this is a personal view of what I'm thinking about the market and how I see ICT, SMC, patterns. Everything is basically the same thing with different names. And I want to share with you. Also, I want to share some knowledge that I have by myself and see if you like it. So let's see. So first thing first, here on the gold, 1 hour time frame, you see, I like to trade and get my perspective buying the market structure itself. So I'm not taking into consideration anything else but just the market structure because as soon as I know the main breakout structure, I know how the market is gonna develop. So I know the market have to pull back, and I know the market will continue to go to the downside or to the upside, depends where it is. So, and first thing first, you're gonna looking for structure. So you can see a breakout structure here. Perfect. You can see, sorry, you can see another one here. So you have two mains breakout structure. Perfect. That's something you take in consideration. So now you need to see now the market as soon as the market break a structure, it's normal the markets pull back, and you need to see what the market's doing because before the drop happens, normally the market give you as a trap or give you as a reason to get in to sweep us out. So, and I always take care of it and carefully before I press the trigger or anything. So, first things first is see the markets have two mains break of structure. After the market build this Asia. You see Asia is being taken out. This liquidity inside Asia. Nice move to the upside. That's confirming the market will do the pullback, but you don't know where's the pullback it's going to be. So you need to see by that. You need to see where is the liquidity and how you can trust the level. So that's where all strategy itself is look for the same places, different entries, but same stop loss. That's what I say. So and what I'm doing when this happen is okay before before the markets move, they need to they need to show us the break of structure, the structure being changed, and all of that, and they should give us a trap as well. So, and what I mean by that, so as soon as the market change this direction, you can see the markets create first leg, second leg, and the wait for the third leg, this one. But how we know the entry is going to be here? So first thing first, you need to see when where the liquid is being built. If liquid is being swept before break structure, if it doesn't sweep anything, so and you need to see these things. So if you are on the gold, you will see okay. So we'll see this liquidity because why this is a liquidity because they build just like this, like a triangle. So in all triangles, you know how to trade triangles because the triangles means you need to wait for the market push above, retest, it continue, or break below like this. I'm gonna show you. So everyone when see a triangle or a bullish flag or bearish flag, what they expect to see is a move break above, retest and continue, or break below, retest, and keep going lower. That's why most of people are interested in waiting for, and that's not how the market's doing most of the time. And you need to understand that. And how do you know this is going to be the entry? Because you need to remember one thing. You are on the main two mains break of structure. So this huge break of structure, this huge break of structure, a new low being created. So the market before change its structure needs to come to test this low. And if the market fail to break this low, then you are able to assume that the market changed from bearish to bullish. So by that, you need to see what is above this level. To keep going short, you need to see what is above this level because he know the market is bearish by two main breakout structure in a new loan be created. So doesn't matter how many highs the market will do, he know he have two main breakout structure. Okay, so you need to understand the market direction. So by that, you use a simple resistance level. So what is above this level? If you mark a line here, or I just drop a box, is much easier. So resistance level above all the liquidities where the market taps into. Now, if you have courage enough and if you trust what you're doing, you can trade from this level. If you don't know, you wait for the displacement, for everything, for the break of structure with impulse, and then you can keep going. So what happened next? The market, after respect this level, they create exactly a nice break of structure to the downside. The structure being breaks. I'm gonna put the line just here so everyone can see it. So the market breaks here. Then what the market is doing by that, some people will keep put in mind that you are bullish because now you see these order blocks, they see all of that, but it doesn't matter because when you are in the right direction, if you are bearish, you want to sell. Ignore everything the market shows to buying. Okay. So then you have another resistance level here when the market being respect. Some people call breaker. Um, I don't know. Too many names just for one thing. That's why I say the market is always the same. People change names just for another to be different. That's all. But doesn't matter how you call it. What matters is what behind this. So, and if you understand the concept itself, that's the best thing to do. So after you have this confirmation, you are free to play and take your trades, and that's it. Now what you expect for today is the same thing. So as the market being break structures again, so he's still waiting for the market to retest this low. It doesn't been retest yet, it's quite far away. It doesn't tap in anything specific. So even if the market is going to respect this level here, they need to tap at least here, in at least these levels here. So it doesn't tap yet, and so you expect the market to continue short. And what I can see by now, I'm still waiting for the market test this level because that's everything above that liquidity there. So I'm wait to see the market taps in here, and if it happens the same as happened here, I'm free to go to target these lows. And that's how we see the market. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.